So, I'm glad India did not land in the same place everybody else has landed on the moon. That's not interesting. They chose a place where no one has landed before, and that's the south polar region of the moon. Get ready for a lunar revelation like no other. When Neil deGrasse Tyson shared details about India's astounding find on the moon, the world sat up and took notice. They are targeting the South Pole to land and check if there's water inside those craters. This wasn't just any celestial news, it was a discovery that reshaped our understanding of Earth's satellite. Dive in to learn what India unearthed and why it's causing such a cosmic stir. In the annals of space exploration, there are moments that leave an indelible mark on our collective consciousness. One such milestone occurred in early 1966 when the world witnessed the remarkable achievement of Luna 9, a Russian mission that became the first to achieve a soft landing on the moon. Not only did it safely touch down, but it also sent back breathtaking panoramic images of our closest celestial neighbor. Luna 9 was no ordinary spacecraft, it resembled a spherical capsule with an innovative design. Weighing 99 kilograms and measuring 58 centimeters in diameter, it was equipped with 4 petals that unfurled after landing. These petals stabilized the craft and revealed the instruments it carried. Among the equipment was a radio system for communication, solid-state detectors to measure radiation, and a thermal control system to manage temperature fluctuations. Most captivating was the television camera, mounted on a platform with the ability to rotate and scan the vast lunar horizon. Luna 9 commenced operations and did not disappoint, capturing mesmerizing lunar vistas. The images showcased a terrain of rugged craters juxtaposed with undulating hills, untouched by human activity. The Joe Drillbank Observatory in England received these images, and they soon made headlines, featured in the Daily Express newspaper. Luna 9's mission went beyond capturing visuals, it embarked on critical scientific investigations. It meticulously recorded lunar temperature extremes, ranging from -153 degrees Celsius at night to +123 degrees Celsius during the day. The spacecraft confirmed the moon's almost non-existent atmosphere, with pressure less than 1/1000th of Earth's. It also measured radiation levels, reporting a daily dose of 30 roentgens. The spacecraft even interacted with the lunar soil, using a rod to exert pressure on the regolith, finding its bearing strength to be at least 0.4 kilograms per cm squared, indicating the surface was sturdy enough for future landers and rovers. After 3 days of transmitting 8 riveting images and invaluable data, Luna 9's batteries were depleted. Its legacy, however, continued with Luna 13, which landed later that year, deepening our understanding of the moon. In 1969, a monumental event unfolded that forever changed our perception of space and our place in the universe. This journey began on July 16 when the Apollo 11 mission launched from Florida's Kennedy Space Center. Part of the ambitious Apollo program, the mission's primary objective was to transport humans to the moon's surface and ensure their safe return. Apollo 11 was mankind's first attempt to demonstrate the ability to travel to the moon, land there, and return. The task was entrusted to 3 astronauts, Neil Armstrong, the mission commander and the first human to set foot on the moon, Edwin Buzz Aldrin, the lunar module pilot who followed in Armstrong's steps, and Michael Collins, who orbited the moon in the command module, overseeing the mission from above. Apollo 11 was a marvel of engineering, consisting of 3 segments, the command module named Columbia, the service module, and the lunar module dubbed Eagle. The command module was critical as it was the only part meant to return to Earth. Meanwhile, the service module provided power, oxygen, water, and propulsion. The lunar module, with its 2-stage design, transported Armstrong and Aldrin from lunar orbit to the moon's surface and back. Apollo 11's voyage spanned 8 days, during which the spacecraft rendezvoused with the moon's orbit by July 19. On July 20, Armstrong and Aldrin began their descent, eventually landing on the Sea of Tranquility. The world held its breath as Armstrong declared, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," while stepping onto the lunar surface. Armstrong and Aldrin spent 2 hours conducting experiments, collecting samples, and setting up scientific instruments while Collins orbited the moon. Their next challenge was to reunite with Collins, which they did smoothly, setting their course back to Earth for a successful splashdown on July 24. Apollo 11's discoveries revealed that the moon had a faint atmosphere, a surface covered by regolith shaped by micrometeorites, and no global magnetic field. The mission also hinted at the moon's age of 4.5 billion years, suggesting it formed after a colossal collision between Earth and another celestial body. India's remarkable Chandrayaan-3 in 2023. In 2023, the world witnessed another leap in space exploration with India's Chandrayaan-3 mission, aimed at touching down near the moon's elusive South Pole. This region, shrouded in mystery, held promises of significant scientific revelations but posed intricate challenges. Chandrayaan-3 consisted of three components: the orbiter, the lander named Vikram, and the rover called Prajan. The orbiter, equipped with 8 scientific instruments, observed the lunar surface and atmosphere from a circular orbit 100 kilometers above the moon. Vikram, named after Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, carried instruments to record temperature variations, seismic activity, plasma density, and surface composition. Prajan, the Sanskrit word for wisdom, was a rover designed to analyze the moon's mineralogy and elemental richness. The mission began on July 14, 2023, with a launch from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, India. Instead of shooting straight to the moon, the spacecraft circled Earth for a week, building momentum before executing a translunar injection on July 21, 2023, to enter the moon's gravitational pull. By August 19, Chandrayaan-3 was in an optimal orbit for the next phase, Vikram's descent. On August 23, 2023, Vikram separated from the orbiter and began its slow descent, adjusting its speed and path with immense precision. It successfully landed between two moon craters, Simpilius N and Manzinus C, a region known for its extreme temperatures and rare sunlight. After landing, Vikram deployed its solar panels and antennas to establish communication with the orbiter and Earth. Soon after, Prajan emerged from Vikram's ramp, ready for its lunar expedition. It had 14 Earth days to fulfill its objectives, analyzing the lunar surface and navigating the rugged terrain using onboard cameras and sensors to avoid obstacles. India's Chandrayaan-3 mission was not only the first to explore the moon's south pole but also a triumph of cost-effectiveness. With a budget of just $74 million, the mission was a testament to India's ability to combine advanced space technology with financial prudence. By leveraging existing technology, a compact design, and the robust GSLV Mk3 rocket, Chandrayaan-3 achieved significant savings compared to other international missions. The Chandrayaan-3 mission marked India's third attempt to study the moon, overcoming numerous challenges, from precise lunar orbit maneuvers to landing in a region fraught with obstacles. On August 23, 2023, after 17 tense minutes, Vikram successfully touched down, marking a triumph for Indian space exploration. In 2019, as India readied its Chandrayaan-2 mission, Neil deGrasse Tyson expressed excitement, stating the mission aimed to explore the moon's south pole, a pioneering effort. Despite Chandrayaan-2's crash, Tyson encouraged India to try again, and in 2023, India succeeded. Tyson lauded Chandrayaan-3's achievement, emphasizing the significance of the moon's south pole, a region potentially harboring water ice and untapped energy resources. India's success with Chandrayaan-3 carved a unique niche in space exploration, advancing our understanding of the moon's mysterious south pole and setting the stage for future discoveries. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more space news.